Hey everybody, just finished printing the thing from Adam's family. Printed this on the Sovol SV06 using Kingroon PLA. And I gotta say their color is pretty good. I mean, I stay pretty tan from working in the sun all the time. This print came out really sweet. I really like this. Detail on this is just amazing. I forgot to scale it down before I printed it, so it's probably bigger than my hand. But kind of cool. Just wanted to share that with you. If you were thinking about printing one of these, it's definitely worth the time. And the Kingroon PLA on this came out just amazing. I like the color. It looks very real. So that's it for this morning. Everyone have a great day. We'll see y'all later.